Oh, hey. So this is the live stream that I'm doing. Just gonna say hi. I don't know how long it takes for people to like get on the live stream. But hi, thank you for doing it. So I have some stuff I wanted to talk to you about today. And there's a lot that I've been so excited about for so long, and I just wanted to wait for the right time to tell you things. And I've been so honored by your dedication to discovering Easter eggs and things like that. Like, in the Me music video, there were a lot of foreshadowing clues. And first of all, I want to say the fact that you care about that still astonishes me. Like, the fact that you're like, oh, I care about figuring out what our single's called and what the album's called. So, thank you for that. You're also very, very good at it. So, all of that will be revealed to you. A lot of it will be revealed to you pretty soon, because you were correct about, most of it. So a lot of people I saw had a theory regarding the idea of calm, etc., etc. So I can confirm that I have a new single coming out tonight at midnight. It's called You Need to Calm Down. I'm so excited for you to hear it. It's out at midnight Eastern everywhere. And the video doesn't come out for another couple days because I wanted you to hear the song first and then see the video, because the video is very worth the wait. There's a lot going on in the video, and so I wanted that to be like a separate discovery. But the video will be out Monday, June 17th. It's premiering on Good Morning America, but then it'll be on YouTube, just like that. Oh my god, it's so exciting. So, another thing that you were absolutely correct about was the album title. The album is called Lover. It's coming out August 23rd. And an easy way to remember that date is that August is the 8th month of the year. And then 23, 2 plus 3, so you just add it all together. 8 plus 2 plus 3 equals I'm obnoxious. So, everything, if you just want to remember that by it adds up to 13. There's an easy way to do it. This album has 18 tracks on it. That's more songs than I've had on an album before. And This album, in tone, it's very romantic, and not just simply thematically like it's all love songs or something, because I think that the idea of something being romantic, it doesn't have to be a happy song, or I think that romance can be, you can find romance in loneliness or sadness or going through a conflict or dealing with things in your life. I think that it just kind of looks at those things with a very romantic gaze. The cover was shot by an amazing photographer named Valeria Rocha. Check her out. Tell her how great she is. 'Cause she shot this cover, and it's this. It's just that. So, yeah, I'm really excited about it, and Valeria is amazing. She's so talented and did an amazing job on the shoot. I wanted to, okay, so this is standard issue, just CD. And then one thing that I'm really excited about is we have a deluxe, we actually have 4 deluxe editions at Target. You can get them exclusively at Target in the US, and then you can find them on my website globally. And so it's actually 4 versions of content, all completely unique content. And so I'm going to show you what those look like. So basically, lots of pages. So this is what you can get at Target. Also, version number 2, version number 3. See how, that's different pastel color label, but there's everything inside of these is different too. So basically, I want to go into this with you on a different, at a different time, because it's a whole thing. It's I want to show you what's in these, because that's, I think, gonna be better to explain to you. I need a whole other live stream to explain to you what is in these, but I'm really excited about it. And so everything in these is unique content, and the back looks like that. Just basically looks like I'm smelling a really nice scented candle by the ocean. There's a glittery heart here around my eye. And so there's also gonna be two audio recordings on the deluxe. And usually when I'm writing songs, I like to just record everything that's happening. I like to sort of, just have something recording when I'm thinking of an idea, and then keep it rolling when I'm adding things to it, when I'm editing things. Just because sometimes you think of something, like a melody or something, and you're like, oh, I think that was good, and then you just forget it the next second. So that's why I keep things recording all the time. So, the two pieces of bonus audio content is the full creation of two of the songs on the album that I really love. So another thing I wanted to tell you, I wanted to tell you also that for the release of the Lover album, there's gonna be a collaboration that I've done with Stella McCartney. And she's been a friend for a really long time, and also just a woman that I respect so much. I respect what she creates, how she creates it. I think she adds, there's so much whimsy and imagination and romance to the clothing that she designs. And I've worn a lot of her stuff recently, and she's heard the new album, and this new collaboration is inspired by the Lover album. So I'll give you way more details about that closer to the launch of the album, but I'm so excited about that, and really, really honored that she would want to collaborate in this way. So, to recap, I have a new single coming out tonight, midnight Eastern. It's called You Need to Calm Down. On the 17th, that music video will come out. Really excited for you to see that. Then I have an album coming out called Lover on August 23rd. So it's available for pre-order, pre-save, pre-add now on all the places you would do that, but I'm gonna have a lot of Instagram stories, just a heads up. So many Instagram stories with opportunities for you to just swipe up and do that in like 3 minutes. So that's gonna be just something that you could just, if you wanted to just like swipe up and do it. If you wanted to do it, which is like, it's not mandatory, obviously. But I also just wanted to thank you for absolutely everything, because you make this so much fun to do. Honestly, the fact that you care, I don't ever take that for granted, the fact that you care about stuff that I made. And the fact that you would care about a detail of like the title and the amount of songs and what it's about. It's like, it's really wonderful of you to put that much effort into something that I really put a lot of effort into and care a lot of care a lot about you guys and your experience and the fact that you think it's fun to have it be more than just like listening to a song. Like, I love that you love the clues and the things that I put in songs and videos and little hints here and there. So thank you for caring. Thank you for being so passionate about even the smallest aspects of things that I create, because that makes it, you just have no idea how fun that is for me. This is completely unrelated, but just got a sleeping cat here that is just, she's very calm. She's calmed all the way down. And she doesn't even care that she's on a live stream. She has really no interest in waking up for it, which I really respect, you know what I mean? Oh, she's half awake, but she's not happy about it. I'm gonna leave Meredith alone now. So, you guys are the best. I'm trying to think if I forgot to tell you anything. I think I remembered everything right now. But I love you, and you're wonderful, and thank you for... Whoa, there's a lot of people in this live stream. I just looked at the number. I'm so glad I didn't look at that while I was doing it, because I would have gotten even more nervous. Have a wonderful day, night, whatever time it is for you. And yeah, I hope you like stuff and things and the new song, and you're the best. So